Hi guys, are you concerned about the job opportunities and how Python relate with it? You can surely get your answer here. In this dynamic world, where everything changes at a rapid rate, the popularity of Python never seems to cease. Today, Python certification is one of the most sought after skills in the entire programming domain. But have you ever wondered if it is really worth it? If yes, where can it take you? Apart from these, there are few other questions which might be bothering you. In this video, I would be answering all such questions regarding Python career opportunities and the growth it gives you. Python as a programming language is easy to learn. Python cuts development time in half with its simple read syntax and easy compilation feature. Therefore, it has evolved the most preferred language considered as the next big thing and a must for professionals. In an independent third-party survey, it has found that the Python programming language is currently the most popular language for data scientists worldwide. This claim is sustained by IEEE, which tracks programming language by popularity. Not only this, Python is finding its application in diverse domains. Eventually, Python paid thrice the billing rate to the group of freelancers Python programmers in the USA and learned the valuable lessons about the importance of language named after the British television comedy series like Monty Python. Thankfully, it is changing now, with developers realizing the need to add Python to their resume for faster programming. How you can serve as Python? As a software engineer, Python developer, research analyst, data analyst, data scientist, software developer. By the end of 2017, Python was delivering some impressive numbers. A recent Indeed.com inquiry also revealed at least 55,000 Python jobs in USA with exponential salary figures. It is quite impressive that 41 large organizations in the world have adopted Python as their primary programming language in the very few span of time. Some of big players like Quora, Facebook, YouTube, SlideShare, Dropbox, Pinterest, Reddit, and Netflix have most of their new code written in Python. But these were all in favor of Python. Now we should know that what are the fields in which Python can help us. First one, data science. This is the single biggest reason why many programmers are learning Python in 2019. I know many of my friends who are bored with their Java programming jobs and investment jobs. Banks are learning to Python on Udemy to create a career in data science due to existing work and high pay. Second one, machine learning. This is another reason of why programmers are learning Python in 2019. The growth of machine learning is phenomenal in the last couple of years and is rapidly changing everything around us. If you are interested in machine learning, want to do a net program or job, just want to play around, Python is the only major programming language which makes it easy. Third one, web development. The task which takes hours in PHP can complete in minutes on Python. Python is also used a lot for program and web scraping. Some of the popular websites on the internet like Reddit is built using Python. If you are interested in web development using Python, I suggest you to join the Python and Django Full Stack Web Developer Bootcamp course by Jot Portilla. For more search help, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.